How Reggio Emilia compares with other early childhood approaches. Parents often ask how Reggio differs from Montessori, play-based preschool, or traditional pre-K. There is some overlap, especially in the value placed on hands-on learning and child development. But the emphasis is different. Montessori tends to use carefully sequenced materials and a more defined developmental progression. Reggio Emilia is less standardized and more emergent, often building curriculum from children's questions and group investigations. Traditional preschool may include play, but it is more likely to follow a fixed, teacher-created plan. Reggio places stronger emphasis on co-constructing learning, documenting thinking, and treating the environment as part of the pedagogy. That said, real schools are often hybrids. Especially in international settings, educators adapt ideas thoughtfully to context, culture, and local requirements. Purity is less important than integrity.